I have an Intel i5, so one second, that's a little slow. All right, hello everyone. My name is Matt. I'm with Artwork, and I'm just gonna jump right into things because we don't have a lot of time. So the freelance economy is a $3 trillion market, but for founders and freelancers, it's fundamentally broken. So there are two really important numbers right now. Is 20% in 14 days on platforms like Upwork. You can lose up to 20% of your budget to fees. Even after the work is done, you can wait up to 14 days till the funds clear. So you're basically paying, we're basically paying billions to middlemen just to act as manual referees, which is why we built Artwork, which is an agentic escrow protocol. We combine the speed of Arc Layer 1 for sub-second settlement and Circle's programmable wallets to create an invisible bridge, enabling ease for Web 2 users and Web 2 users to transition to Web 3 without complex onboarding. So we have a team of 6. Our mission is to use AI to replace trust issues with instant payments. The problem, here it is, you guys can read while I talk. Competitors like BrainTrust or LaborX use AI to scan resumes, but the final payment decision is still left entirely to humans. We aren't here to build another recruiting tool, we're here to fix the settlement. So in our system, AI isn't just a chatbot, it is the brain of Gemini 2.5 used for multimodal reasoning, basically a judge for the settlement. So the buyer approves the work, triggering a final quality and safety audit by the AI. It scans the code and requirements to ensure the job is actually done, and if the work